Hurricane door specialists in Sanford, Florida, offer a wide range of hurricane door solutions tailored to meet the specific needs of homeowners. With a focus on hurricane door customization, these experts provide hurricane door consultation services to ensure that each installation meets the highest standards of safety and durability. Sanford hurricane door experts are well-versed in the latest hurricane door technology, offering a variety of hurricane protection doors Sanford options to suit any home. Sanford hurricane door sales provide a comprehensive selection of hurricane-rated doors designed to withstand the harshest weather conditions. These impact-resistant entry doors are crafted from high-quality hurricane door materials, ensuring long-lasting protection and peace of mind. The benefits of hurricane doors in Sanford, Florida include enhanced security, energy efficiency, and increased property value. Hurricane door installation in Sanford is a seamless process thanks to the expertise of local professionals. These specialists offer hurricane door systems that integrate seamlessly with existing structures, providing superior storm protection. Sanford storm protection doors are designed to resist high winds and flying debris, making them an essential investment for homeowners in hurricane-prone areas. For those in need of hurricane door replacement, Sanford offers a range of services to restore the functionality and appearance of storm protection doors. Whether it's a simple fix or a complete hurricane door replacement, Sanford experts are equipped to handle any challenge. Sanford hurricane door replacement services ensure that your doors remain in top condition, providing reliable protection year-round. Sanford impact-resistant doors are a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's resilience against severe weather. These wind-resistant doors are engineered to withstand the impact of flying debris, offering unparalleled protection. Sanford impact glass doors are a stylish and functional addition to any home, combining aesthetic appeal with robust storm protection. Hurricane door maintenance in Sanford is crucial for ensuring the longevity and performance of your storm protection doors. Regular maintenance services include inspections, adjustments, and replacements to keep your doors functioning optimally. Sanford weatherproof doors are designed to endure the elements, providing reliable protection against wind, rain, and debris. Hurricane door upgrades in Sanford offer homeowners the opportunity to enhance their existing storm protection systems. With a variety of hurricane protection doors, Sanford features available, including advanced locking mechanisms and reinforced frames, Sanford residents can customize their doors to meet their specific needs. Sanford hurricane door customization services allow for personalized solutions that enhance both security and curb appeal. Sanford storm door services encompass a wide range of offerings, from installation to maintenance and replacement. These services are designed to provide comprehensive storm protection for homes in Sanford, Florida. Sanford hurricane door systems are engineered to provide maximum protection against the elements, ensuring the safety and security of your home. Hurricane door consultation in Sanford is an essential step in selecting the right storm protection doors for your home. Sanford hurricane door experts provide personalized advice and recommendations based on your specific needs and preferences. With a focus on hurricane door benefits, these consultations help homeowners make informed decisions about their storm protection options.